Okay, so may dumating na package for today's video. And this is from Try and Review. Try and Review, thank you. Bago, I'm not sure if bago to ni so pipiliin mo kung anong type ng skin mo at ipapadala nila sa iyo yung body wash na hydration boost serum body wash, and this is for dry skin. So I have a dry skin, buong katawan ko. Hindi naman super dry. Super social nung packaging ni Dove, in fairness. So, ito yung hydration boost. And this is good for dry skin. This is a serum body wash with 6% hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid. So, meron na siyang, this is a pH balance formula, plant-based cleanser, paraben-free, no sulfates. Naka-emboss yung pangalan ni Dove. Naman, siya.